Hey there, welcome back to the course. This will be a short lecture, and what we are going to do is just kind of standardize our codes that we have so far. So basically, we have a lot of constants, and we are going to add a lot more as we progress through the course. So we would want to have the constants in a specific separate file instead of having them spread throughout the code. So the way so for example, this 8dp in your fragment underscore main. So if you don't have it open, just press double shift, type fragment underscore main, and there you have it, press enter, and you'll reach it. So this 8dp is basically a constant, and this is not the standard way that Android apps should be developed. So we would want to extract a value out of it or a constant out of it. So in order to do that, we press option return in Mac, or I think it would be alt plus enter in Windows systems. So by pressing option return, you see that we have this context pop-up menu, and we choose the first option, extract dimension resource, press enter. So let's call it grid underscore 3, and I'll tell you why I'm naming it as 3 in a while. So press OK. Now if you see, this 8dp has been replaced with this @dimen / grid3. If you press command and click on it, it will take you where it is actually defined now. So Android creates this dimens.xml where all our these constant dimensions can be stored. So dimens, while it is a standard file name, it is not generated by default. So the first time that we create or extract a value, that's when it is created. So similarly, we replace all other 8dps with grid underscore 3, right? And we can do this by copying this and press command R to open replace menu, and we press 8dp to be replaced with grid underscore 3, and we press replace all. So all of them are replaced now, right? And let's create a few more dimensions. Name, let's say grid underscore 1, press 2. I'm gonna copy this, say 2 and 4, 4, 5, 6. Let's have up to 6 rows, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So we have it up to 64 here. And so now I guess it is, you can correlate these, that 2 to the power 1 is 2, to the power 2 is 4, and so on. So that's why I had put add 8dp as grid underscore 3, so that 2 to the power 3 is 8dp. So that way it is easier to remember what you have defined. Alright, so we've done this in fragment underscore main. Let's do it in all other our activities also. I have them open here, activity underscore main. Here we have 8dp, so just replace it with grid 3. Similarly, this 8dp, grid underscore 3, grid underscore 3. This is 16, so this will be grid underscore 4. Alright, let's move on to activity login. In this we don't have any dps defined, but we have this text defined over here, which we can extract a value out of. So similar to earlier, press option plus return, extract string resource, and we need to name it. So let's say button underscore sign up. This we are anyway going to replace in the next lectures, so you can name it anything. Let's just say button underscore sign up. If you want to see value, just press command and click, and here this value is defined. So activity login is done. Then finally we are on to activity sign up, and here also we have the string value which we can extract to, let's say, button underscore main screen. Okay, all right, so all our values, dimensions, etc. have been extracted, and our code is pretty much standardized. So this is the way going forward that we will define our any constants that we introduce. So this won't create any change in the way the app functions right now. So um, that's it for this lecture, and the next lecture we will start working on the login activity or login screen layout. So see you there.